Hey guys, how are my Glow Tarts doing? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so we got a new spoiler for the June BoxyLuxe box. This is a variation, so you might get it, you might not, but let's go over the ones we already know about and then I'll show you the new one. So the first thing that you're going to get in your June BoxyLuxe box will be one of three palettes. Now it will either be the Tarte Blush Palette, or the Tarte Glow Palette, or the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Palette. Now, the next thing that you will be getting in your box is the Pharmacy Beauty Honeymoon Glow. And then we have the PYT Hair. This is the Mini Turbo Blow Dryer. So that will also be in your box. And then you will be getting the Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic Yogurt Cleanser. And then next we have another variation. So you will either be getting the Living Proof Dry Volume Blast Styling Spray, or you will be getting the Living Proof Thickening Cream. And the next thing that you will get in your box is the Trestique Good Vibes Mascara. And the next thing is Touch and Soul Prime Essence Primer. Now this is something new, so I'm not exactly sure. I don't know a whole lot about it. The next thing is the Dominique Cosmetics. You will be getting a lip gloss from the Lemonade line, and it will be in either shades Peach Tea or Strawberry Lemonade. And then the last thing is the M Green Grass Body Butter. Now this is, again, is another variation. You will either get this or you will get the new, and this is the new spoiler by the way, the Skin & Company Truffle Refreshing Dewy Mist. So this is what we got so far. Now again, there might be more variations coming out and I will update you if there is anything else coming out. So always make sure your bell is on, that way you're notified of every video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also guys, rate the video if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Doesn't really matter as long as YouTube sees that you're watching my videos. And also one more tiny favor before you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.